Okay, friends, so when you first create your Google site, this is going to be kind of what it looks like. This is just my example that you can see in Schoology linked. This is my home page, which you're going to create your own home page. And then you'll see as we create pages, if you click on pages over here, this is where we're going to create each individual blog post / writing assignment that we do in here. So then it almost becomes like a portfolio. And then as you add more pages, they'll fill up across the top here. And you can click on different ones. And I just added a second page to give you an example, but there's nothing on mine. You can click on different pages and stuff as you go. And you can customize your whole site. So you can change the background and things like that, add pictures, all that good stuff with each of our posts. There are some themes over here on the right. And then you can insert different things. So if I go to kind of my example page, there's different layouts. So I could just insert this layout and now I have a spot for 2 pictures and I have a spot for text. If I don't like it, I can delete it. I can change the background color based on these few palettes, or I could upload a picture. I could duplicate the section if I want to. Now they're both there. If I decide I don't like that, I can delete it. If I just want to add a text box, I just click that and now I have a text box or just a picture. I can just upload one that way. I can add stuff from my Google Drive if I want to add an assignment or something like that and link it in here. I can pull it right from my school Google Drive. So it's kind of cool. And then you can add all this different stuff too. A table of contents if you wanted to, a button that will take your reader to a certain place. So if you want to add a button to your home page or something, a divider so that then it just creates a line. So many things. You can upload a YouTube video into here, add a calendar, add a location, add a Google Doc or Google Slideshow or forms, things like that. So it's really user friendly and it's pretty customizable, which is nice because you can really make it however you want it to look. And then once you have your page all set, yours is going to look a little bit different, but you have to do 2 things in order to get it to me correctly. So I have the correct link. You're going to click this and click share with others, and you're going to type in my email right there and click done, just so you have it shared with me. So if I need to look at it for any reason, I can. Then the other step you're going to do is yours won't have this little arrow right away. It will just say publish. You're going to click the publish button and it will look different than this. It will pop up and say that you have to create a web page and you have to enter something. All I want you to enter is your first and last name and then click publish again. That's all you should have to enter and it should work, okay? Unless someone has used your first and last name for it, you might have to like add your middle initial or something. But you just have to do that once and click publish and then you'll get this little arrow, okay? Then how you're gonna share it with me is you're gonna click the little arrow and you're gonna click view published site and it will pop open in a new window. And this is the link that I need you to share with us in Schoology. So this is the one that you're gonna copy and paste and then you're gonna post it in Schoology in that comment section so we all can view it. And I'll actually make like a spreadsheet of everyone's blog link, but that way we all have the same one. So don't share this one with me, the one that you can edit. You wanna share the published one with me. So that published link, that's the one you should paste in Schoology. If you post the wrong link, I'll let you know too so you can fix it. And then the last thing you have to keep in mind is every time you make a change to your blog or to your site, you have to click publish. Okay, so let's say I add something in here. At the end of my day, I'm gonna click publish and this is gonna pop up and say like, this is the change that you made, and it will show you exactly where you made the change. It even puts like a green box around it. This is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. And you wanna click publish because now it will update. So it's not like a Google Slideshow or a Google Doc. You have to publish every day for it to update for your readers. So for it to update for me to see or your peers. So that's the most common thing that I see when I'm grading these is I'll put something in as missing and someone will be like, hey, I did that blog post. It's in my site, but they forgot to publish, so I can't actually view it. So just start to get in the habit of publishing every single day. And this will automatically be saved in your Google Drive when you create the site. So you won't have to like keep track of it or anything. It's in your Google Drive. And we'll do a lot of different varieties of writing styles and stuff. And sometimes we'll be adding pictures and sometimes we'll be adding links to articles and stuff like that. So you'll get really comfortable with using all the different tools over here. If you have questions on your site at all, let me know.